Welcome to Dots and Squiggles, practical help with punctuation. Here we're going to look at one of the most overused and misused punctuation marks, the capital letter. Obviously it's used to start a sentence, but also needed for proper nouns, the name of the person, place or thing, but not for the common nouns, even if they share a word. Job titles are one of the most awkward areas when deciding whether to use a capital or not. If you are directly replacing the person's name, or very closely linking it with their job title, then capitalise it. Capital letters are usually used for acronyms such as GP or NHS. Take care to capitalise them correctly. Days and months have capital letters, seasons do not. Languages, people and countries are capitalised. Clinical conditions are only capitalised if named after someone. Trade names for drugs are capitalised, but not generic names. Start a quotation with a capital letter. So only use a capital letter to start a sentence or for a name. Check out the other short videos for help with all the punctuation marks. You're welcome to share this on any social media platform.